Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to discuss about another merge option known as squash merge. If you want to understand this squash merge properly, we have to create two scenarios. One without squash merge and another with squash merge. Okay. So for this, I have to have two Git repo. I'm going to create two identical Git repo with this particular scenario. Okay. I have one master commit and then I have 4 branch commit. I'm going to create one repo first, then I will copy this repo. So I will have two identical repo. And then we will perform merge with squash, without squash. Okay. So let me go to my Git. I have one directory, my Git, in which I'm going to create first repo. So I'm going to give name mkdir repo 1. Okay. Going inside this repo 1 and Git status, it is not Git repo, right? So right now I'm going to Git root. Then here I'm going to create one file. So info change from master file underscore 1. Okay, going to add this file. So git add file underscore 1 and git commit this n. Here I'm going to give same name, master change. Okay, master change, and yes, I have this git log and I have this master. Now I'm going to create a branch. So git branch b1. Now we can use any command, git switch or git checkout. So I'm going inside the branch. Here I'm going to create another file. I can edit existing file, but there will be the problem of the conflict. So I'm going to create another file. Okay. So now echo out first change from branch b1. Okay. Creating file underscore 2. Git add file underscore 2 and git commit this n. First, let me verify what is the name. First commit from b1. Okay. First commit from b1. Yes. There. Now I'm going to use history to make it faster. Okay, going to make another changes. So here I will go into the file. Second change from the branch b1. Here I'm going to use a double greater than sign because it will add new line. Okay. Now git add file 2. And here in the commit, I'm going to say second commit from b1. Okay. Then let me add the third one. Third change from b1. Here, yes, git add file 2. Here in the commit. Third commit from the b1. Now the final one. Fourth change from the b1, file 2, git add file 2, and here it is a 4 commit. Fourth commit from b1. Okay. So then, any guy going to be the command git log. Here I have this is the master. And then because I have the branch, so I have the master J and then 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Let me give command again for a master, first, second, third, and fourth. Okay. So I have this 4 commit, and this is exactly as I have in the picture. Now what I am doing, I am going to copy this whole directory, which is repo 1. Okay. So I am going to copy this. Okay. This is my repo 1 directory. I am going to copy this using cp-r repo-1 into repo-2. Okay, so we will have identical repo 1 and repo 2. Done. Now look at this. I have repo 1, repo 2, and if you go to repo 2, okay, you will have git log. I'm in the B1 branch, so we will have exactly identical situation. Okay. Now we are going to talk about repo 1 first. So I'm going back to this. Okay. Right now, I'm in my Git. I'm going to the repo 1. Okay. Yeah. And I am in the main branch. And if you look at this, I have 1, 2, 3, 4 commit, and the master commit we have always there. Okay. Now, if I am going to perform normal merge, okay, it can be fast forward or non-fast forward merge. What will happen? What will happen? All these 4 commits that we have inside B1 will be in the master, right? This is a normal merge. It can be a fast forward or non-fast forward, but all the branch commits will be in the master. This is how it works. Now let's verify this. Okay. So right now I am going to change master branch. So git checkout master. Okay. Git branch. See, I am in the master branch. Okay. Let me clear this. In the master branch, I have only one log. Git commit, and this is what we have completed, right? Now I'm going to use the command. See, git merge. Okay, git merge, and branch we have is B1. It is done. Okay. Now see the number of commits I have in the master branch. Okay. Yeah, it is a fast forward merge because we don't have any changes in the master branch after we have created this branch 1. So this is like a fast forward, but look at the number of merge I have git log. Okay, see, here I have first commit from B1, second commit from B1, third commit from the B1, and the fourth commit. All of this copied over here. Okay, so I can say that this is it. Of course, I am just moving this. It doesn't mean that it is not available here. Okay. So let's say that if you are going to the B1, okay, git switch B1, git log. Okay. All these commits are available here as well. Okay. So keep this in mind. I can say that, copy is difficult here. So I can say that this will be here. Yeah, it is copied over here. So first two, and let me copy the third one. And so here we have, and then it is going to copy all this over here as well. Now, I want you to understand what happens if I'm going to use squash merge.
Hello everyone, sorry to disturb you. I am sure you guys are enjoying our Git GitLab course. If you want full access of this course having 83 videos, you can enroll it from our portal. First 100 students will get special discount. There is some limitation on YouTube, we are unable to give you support, but once you become our community member, Our instant support is included, lifetime updation, completion certification, and additionally, weekly lifetime live session with our expert Bhavesh Atal. We want to improve your skills anyhow, so that's why we added 5 projects as well. We are also available on Udemy. Still, you have any doubts, any queries, you can contact me on my personal number. Thank you.